travelers, welcome back to Travel Men's. Are you ready to explore the most stunning destination on our planet? From breathtaking landscape to vibrant culture, we got you covered. In this video, we will count down the top 10 most beautiful countries in the world. So let's get started. Canada is the land of breathtaking natural beauty, vibrant city, and endless adventure, making it one of the most amazing travel destinations in the world. From the majestic Rocky Mountains in Banff and Jasper National Parks to the stunning Niagara Falls, every corner of Canada offers something spectacular. Explore the charming street of Quebec City, where French architecture and culture make you feel like you are in Europe, or wander through Vancouver, scenic waterfront surrounded by mountains. Nature lovers can experience the northern light in Yukon, the pristine lakes of Ontario, and the wild beauty of Prince Edward Island coastlands. Whether you are looking for outdoor adventure, cultural experience, or breathtaking landscape, Canada has it all. It is one of the most beautiful countries of the world. Thailand is the land of stunning beaches, rich culture, and breathtaking landscape, making it one of the top travel destinations in the world. Whether you are exploring the vibrant street of Bangkok, relaxing on the white sandy beach of Phuket, Krabi, and discover the ancient temples of Chiang Mai, Thailand has something for everyone. The Turkish border of the Phi Phi Island, the floating market of the Damien Zodiac, and the majestical beauty of Ayutthaya historic ruins offer unforgettable experience. For adventure seekers, hiking in Pai, diving in Koh Tao, and exploring the lush jungles of Khao Sok National Park are a must. And of course, no trip is complete without indulging in delicious Thai food, from authentic pad Thai to fresh mango sticky rice. Whether you are looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural experience, Thailand promises an unforgettable journey. Switzerland is a dream destination filled with breathtaking mountains, scenic lakes, and charming cities, making it one of the most beautiful places to visit in Europe. Imagine taking a train ride through the Swiss Alps, passing by snow-capped peaks and picturesque villages like Zermatt and Interlaken. The beauty of Lake Geneva and Lake Lausanne, surrounded by stunning landscape, will leave you in awe. Explore Zurich's vibrant city life, stroll through the medieval street of Bern, or visit the luxurious resorts of St. Moritz for a perfect winter escape. Adventure lovers can ski in Swiss Alps, hike in Jungfraujoch, or take the scenic Glacier Express train. And of course, no trip is complete without indulging in Swiss chocolate and cheese fondue. Whether you are looking for relaxation, adventure, or cultural experience, Switzerland offers a picture-perfect escape. Switzerland promises a magical experience. Italy is a country of timeless beauty, rich history, and breathtaking landscapes, making it one of the best travel destinations in the world. From the ancient ruins of Rome, including the Colosseum and the Vatican City, to the romantic canals of Venice, every city in Italy tells a story. Explore the charming street of Florence, home to stunning Renaissance art and architecture, or relax on the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, where colorful villages meet crystal clear waters. Rolling vineyards of Tuscany, the stunning beaches of Sardinia, and the snow-capped peaks of Italian Alps add to Italy endless charm. And of course, no trip is complete without indulging in authentic Italian pizza, pasta, gelato. Whether you're looking for romance, adventure, history, or delicious food, Italy offers a wonderful experience at every turn. France is a country that feels like a living postcard, filled with breathtaking landscape, charming villages, and world-famous landmarks. Whether you are strolling through the romantic street of Paris, admiring the majestic Eiffel Tower, or exploring the historic Louvre Museum, every moment is unforgettable. The French Riviera offers sun-kissed beaches, luxury resorts, and scenic coastal towns like Nice and Saint-Tropez, while Provence rolling lavender fields create a magical countryside escape. For history lovers, the lava valleys, Grand Castle, and Normandic dramatic cliffs tell a story of the past. If you crave adventure, the French Alps provide world-class ski and hiking, and the Dune du Plat, Europe's tallest sand dune, offers breathtaking ocean views. And of course, French food and wine make every trip even more special. Think fresh croissant, creamy cheeses, and fine Bordeaux wine. Whether you're looking for romance, relaxation, adventure, or culture, France has something for everyone. France will make you fall in love over and over again. Greece is the land of magnificent islands, ancient history, and stunning landscapes, making it one of the most beautiful travel destinations in the world. From the white vast houses and blue domes of Santorini to the crystal clear beaches of Mykonos, every corner of Greece feels magical. History lovers can explore the ancient ruins of Athens, including the iconic Acropolis and Parthenon, while adventure seekers can hike through the dramatic cliffs and Turkish water of Namijio Beach in Zakynthos. The Meteora monasteries, perched high on rock pillars, offer a view like no other, while the lush landscape of Corfu provide a peaceful retreat. Whether you want to relax on sun-kissed beaches, explore Greek mythology, or enjoy delicious Mediterranean food, Greece offers a great experience. Australia is the land of stunning landscape, vibrant cities, and incredible wildlife, making it one of the best travel destinations in the world. From the iconic Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge to the Great Barrier Reef's colorful coral paradise, Australia is filled with wonders waiting to be explored. Relax on the white sandy beaches of the Gold Coast, take a road trip along the Great Ocean Road, or experience the raw beauty of outback Uluru. Adventure lover diving in a Whitsunday, exploring the lush tree forest, or spotting kangaroos on Kangaroos Island is a must. Whether you are seeking city excitement in Melbourne, nature escapes in Tasmania, or rugged beauty of the Blue Mountain, Australia has something incredible for every traveler. Japan is the country where ancient tradition meets modern wonders, making it one of the most unique travel destinations in the world. From the iconic cherry blossom in Tokyo and Kyoto to the historic temples of Nara and the breathtaking views of Mount Fuji, Japan offers beauty at every turn. Stroll through the bamboo forest of Arashiyama, explore the futuristic cityscape of Tokyo, or relax in the natural hot spring in Hakone. Experience the vibrant nightlife of Osaka, visit the snow-covered village of Shirakawa-go, or dive into the rich history of Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. Food lovers can enjoy authentic sushi, ramen, and matcha desserts, making every meal an unforgettable experience. Whether you are looking for cultural experience, stunning landscape, or high-tech city life, Japan has something magical for every traveler. New Zealand is the land of breathtaking landscape, adventures, and natural wonders, making it one of the most stunning travel destinations in the world. From the snow-capped peaks of Southern Alps to the pristine beaches of the Bay of Islands, every corner of New Zealand is paradise for nature lovers. Explore the majestic fjords of Moffat Sound, take a scenic road trip through Queenstown Adventure Capital, or walk among the glowing caves of Waitomo. Visit the geothermal wonders of Rotorua, hike the Tongariro Alpine Crossing, or relax by crystal clear water of Lake Tapeco. Movie lovers can step into Middle-earth at the Hobbiton movie set, while thrill seekers can go bungee jumping, skydiving, or glacier hiking. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or breathtaking scenery, New Zealand offers an amazing experience. Iceland is the land of breathtaking natural wonders, dramatic landscape, and otherworldly beauty. This makes it truly one of the kind travel destination. From the awe-inspiring northern lights dancing across the sky to the powerful waterfalls like Selja Landfoss and Gullfoss, every part of Iceland feels magical. For the geothermal wonders of Blue Lagoon, take a road trip along with the Golden Circles to see geysers and volcanic craters, to visit the black sand beaches of Reynisfjara. Adventure seekers can hike Vatnajökull glaciers, explore ice caves in Jökulsárlón, or chase whales in Husavik. Whether you are looking for stunning landscape, natural hot spring, or thrilling outdoor adventure, Iceland is a destination like no other. Thanks for watching. If you loved exploring these incredible destinations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.